Alright, so this is the packaging that the wig came in. It's like a bubble wrap envelope, fake envelope. So I actually ordered this from Amazon Prime. So I ordered it and I got it the same exact day, which was pretty exciting. And ooh, it comes in a really nice box, like so. This is actually a really cute box. I don't know if it's the pattern or whatever, but it's kind of like a shoebox style where the top comes off. But I like that because it's going to make it nice to store the wig. And I don't really know how to pronounce this wig, but I think it's Joedir. So I'm going to say Joedir because that's how it's spelled. I don't know. You guys tell me how you think it's pronounced. I really don't know. But before I show you the wig, this is all the goodies that comes with the wig. So you get a nylon hairnet type of wig cap. I may use this. I don't know. I don't really use wig caps like that, but maybe I'll try it with the wig. You get these eyelashes, which they say MAC, but we all know MAC eyelashes don't look like that. But okay. I probably will not use these because they look kind of funny. I don't know. Then it comes with a care guide, which is really cute. Usually synthetic wigs don't have something like this, so it just shows you in the inside how to take care of the wig, how to put it on, all that good stuff. Yeah, I don't really need all this info, but I mean, it's helpful to have, and I appreciate them putting that. And then it comes with a wig stand. Grooves here. You're just gonna put this in the inside of this and match it in. Oh goodness, I'm struggling. It seems so much easier when I thought about it, but now I'm trying to do it, I can't get it. Oh, there we go, got it. So it comes out like that, and then you can put the wig on that. So that's everything that comes with it. I appreciate all that extra stuff. Since the wig was only $38, I think that's pretty impressive. So it comes with the netting so that your wig's nice and safe, and ooh, so far so good. It doesn't have a weird smell, because usually sometimes synthetic wigs have funny smells. So I'm glad about that. And then you can just throw that out. I'm going to cut the tag off of the wig and plop it on my head so you can see how it looks. Oh, and the style, her name is HT Gianna. I got it in the color 1B. Alright, so I'm going to take this off of my head and we're going to plop her on. So I already have my wig cap on. I tried to gel my baby hairs down some, but I don't have my gel that I like to use, which is Gorilla Snot. I had no more, and I didn't want to get any because it's really cold today and I was not trying to go outside. So I just gotta have these little unruly edges today, but normally I would like really get in there with my edges. So so far so good about this wig because it has a lot of movement, whole lot of movement, and it has soft texture. It has a lot of wave to it, and it's super long. I like that. Can you part it different ways? Let's see. No, you can't. It's only a middle part. See, it comes with your adjustable straps in the back, so you can put it, and it has a lot of notches, so I think it can fit small and big heads. I have a really small head, so hopefully when I put it on the smallest setting, it'll fit properly. Okay, so this is the wig just plopped on my head without doing any work to it. I just want to show y'all how it looks like that, because I know sometimes when you finesse up the wig, people get a little skeptical if it looks cute or not. So I wanted to show you the wig without anything being done to it. Ooh, first of all I gotta do, I don't even have to say anything. Like, wow, I am impressed, super impressed. It was really long. Let me show you guys how long. So if we stretch out the curl, it's all the way down to like my hip. And what I noticed is that you could actually do a lot with this wig. Like, you could put it going back. You could probably do a really cute half up, half down style with it, which I might try to do. And it has a little bit of baby hairs in there somewhere. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this wig up, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so I'm back. I fixed the wig up, and let me just say I am in love with this wig. First things first, the reason why I really like it is that I didn't have to do a whole lot to it. I hate when I gotta spend like 20-30 minutes trying to fix the wig up. First and foremost, the length is just to die for. Like, I can't believe it's so long, but it doesn't look tacky long. Like, it's just, to me, it's like the perfect long wig. Like, I love that about it. It doesn't have a lot of sheen in it at all. Usually when I get jet black synthetic wigs, they can look a little shiny, so I add like dry shampoo. But this one, I didn't have to do any of that to it, and I didn't have to like cut it or add layers or any odd stuff. I literally just put it on my head. As far as what I did to it off camera, I cut the lace off. Obviously, that was in the front. I cut about this much off. So and then I cut it like in a curve, just so you guys can see that, so that it mimics my natural hairline. And I moved the wig back behind my edges just a tiny bit, not too much though, because like I told you guys earlier, I don't have my favorite gel, so I was not trying to show my edges too much. I did get a little bit of sideburn action. And this is actually the Wigs baby hair. So what I did was I took a little bit of gel, and I just took my soft bristle brush, and I brushed, I pulled the hair going back. Like, I took the hair, put it all the way away from my face, and just went like that. And that's how I found the baby hairs. I didn't have to make any baby hairs, so thank God, because I hate doing that sometimes. Because I noticed that when you make them, sometimes they're heavier, and then it's just like weird edges. Like, this is like so much softer, and by the time the day goes by, I'm pretty sure it will just look even more natural, you know. And I also added some powder foundation in the parting, but I didn't put it on top. I actually did it underneath. So before I put the wig on, I just took my makeup brush and took some powder and put it all in the inside of the wig, and then I put it on. It's giving me like early 2000s when people used to use the crimp machine. So I don't really have anything negative to say about this wig at all. I'm so happy that I took a chance on it, because I was nervous. It's not from a brand that I've ever worn wigs from before, and it's from Amazon. So I was like, it might not look just like the picture. What am I going to do? But it actually looks really, really pretty. And like I said, I ordered it from Prime, so I got it on the same exact day. I ordered it like 7 a.m. when I first woke up. I was like, I need a wig. And then it got there to my house around 9 p.m. So if you need a quick wig and you have Amazon Prime, you could do that. And I'll make sure to leave the link for the wig in my description box down below. But let me know what you ladies think of this wig, if you would rock her. Listen, you can't tell me nothing with this wig. I'm just mainly excited about how cheap it was, how fast I got it, and how easy it was. I mean, it's gorgeous, but that is what's making me even more excited about it. So yeah, anyhow, thank you guys for watching this video, and I promise that I'll get back on my wig reviews. I know it's been a little while since I've done my wig reviews and, you know, my hair tutorials and stuff, but I'm gonna get back into it. I just was trying to, you know, focus on some things and redirect my spirit and my energy, and I feel a little bit better now. So yeah, stay tuned, and I love you guys. Thanks for being here with me today. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.